Lesson 21. Create a practice schedule and add/remove PLUs. A conservation or CD2.2 practice schedule can be created within an existing case file, allowing the user to add land units and plan practices. The process for creating and managing each schedule type is the same. The only difference is the option selected for the schedule type when creating the schedule. Once a practice schedule has been created, the planner can add land units that will participate in the schedule. Land units can be added by selecting land units on a map or by searching for one or more track numbers. Occasionally, land units will need to be removed from a practice schedule. This requires that the land units being removed have no planned, canceled, or completed practices associated to them within the schedule they are being removed from. The objectives are, at the end of this lesson, you will be able to create a new practice schedule, add land units to a practice schedule by selecting on a map, add land units to a practice schedule by searching for a tract, and remove land units from a practice schedule. Note that only land units in planned or locked status may be added to a practice schedule. If you have any remaining land units in draft status, edit those to remove areas of overlap and save to plan status before proceeding. First, we will create a new practice schedule. If needed, expand the table of contents. Click on the case file name and select Create New Practice Schedule. Leave the default of conservation for schedule type and enter conservation plan for the schedule name. Click Create. The new practice schedule is created and loaded into CD. The practice schedule is added to the table of contents. If another practice schedule is open when the new one is created, CD will close it and open the newly created one. The practice schedule PLUs, practice points, practice lines, and practice polygons layers are added to the map contents. However, there will not be any features in these layers yet. The practice schedule PLUs and practice schedule tabs are added to the tables. Next, we will add land units to a practice schedule by selecting on the map. In the table of contents, click on the practice schedule to expand and select Add/Remove Land Units. The Add/Remove Land Units dialog is displayed. By default, the land unit tree view is sorted by tract and land unit. Click on the slide along the right edge of Add/Remove Land Units to collapse the dialog. In the map view, click and drag to select land units from the case and/or active PLUs layers. The Select Land Units window opens, allowing you to refine your selection. This list displays any selected land units from the case and active PLUs that are eligible to be added to the practice schedule. In the Select Land Units window, click on Listed Land Units to flash the selection on the screen. Select the land units that you want to add to the schedule using the Control or Shift key to select multiple land units. Click OK to add the highlighted land units. The map will refresh, and if the practice schedule PLUs are turned on, land units added to the schedule will be displayed with a yellow outline. Click on the slide at the left side of the CD window to expand the Add/Remove Land Units dialog. The total land unit acres is updated and the land units tree shows the added land units. Next, we will add land units to a practice schedule by searching for a tract. The options to query land units by tract number and add to the schedule are listed in the upper left of the Add/Remove Land Units dialog. The Query drop-down allows you to narrow the query to only case PLUs or only active PLUs. Leave the default selection to query both active and case PLUs. Check the Current Extent checkbox to limit the query to land units in your current map extent. The state and county will display your default state and county and can be changed to any of your available counties. These will be disabled when current extent is checked. Enter the tract number and click Search. Note, to search for multiple track numbers, type track numbers separated with a comma in the track number text box. Click on a single result in the Search Results List dialog to highlight the selection on the map. The selected land unit will display on the map view with tan fill. Select one or more land units from the results using the Control or Shift key to select multiples and click Add to Schedule. The total land unit acres and land units tree will update to show the added land units. Land units added to the practice schedule are removed from the Search Results List box. If the practice schedule PLUs layer is visible, the added land units will display on the map with a yellow outline. Next, we will remove land units from a practice schedule. Check one or more land units in the tree view to remove from the practice schedule. The selected land units will highlight on the map view with a turquoise outline. Click the Remove button and select Yes in the pop-up window to confirm. If the selected land units meet the rules to be removed from the practice schedule, in other words, land units have no planned, canceled, or completed practice associated to them within the open schedule, they will be removed. In Add Remove Land Units, the tree view and total land unit acres will update to show changes. The selected land units will also be removed from the practice schedule PLUs layer in the map view. Click Close to exit the Add Remove Land Units dialog. To view only the practice schedule PLUs on the map, click the Map Tools icon and click the Change View button. The map refreshes with only the practice schedule PLUs displayed with a yellow outline. Close the Map Tools toolbar. Thank you for viewing this lesson for Conservation Desktop version 2, Release 2.